Hey there, welcome to Onyx. Now, in the very first video, we are discussing about the drop servicing. What is drop servicing business? Because the software we are endorsing is all about the drop servicing to make your drop servicing life easy. But before that, a few words need to be shared with you about the drop servicing. So, drop servicing is nothing but the same as drop shipping. In drop shipping, you need to deliver the product from Amazon or something like this kind of shopping platform. And in drop servicing, one need to deliver service which is desired by the client. Drop servicing is a business model in which you book a client who needs a service and outsource so that work to a third party or earn a decent commission from the entire process. For an example, you find a client who needs a website. So the website development client, and you charge him $800. You charged $800 from your client. After that, you outsource this work to a third party at a lower cost. Suppose you have outsourced this work to a freelancer from Upwork on $400. Now you earned $400 commission from this entire process. And also, drop servicing is one of the most profitable business that come off from the drop shipping business model, in which you transact product. The only difference between drop service and drop shipping is that in drop shipping you deal in product, and in drop servicing you deal in service, as I have already told you. Hence, the other great benefit of drop servicing business is that you don't need to do a much investment. The only thing you need is a good sales skill. A good sales skill. So the earning potential of drop servicing business depend on the clients you book each month. If you book a pretty good amount of client and you can earn a good amount of commission, then you can be the winner. In the whole process, I can tell you that drop servicing, in a word, is a middleman. So we need to work as a middleman who will make others' life easy. Being a client, the client will get their work and bring a freelancer. The freelancer will be paid for what they are doing. And being a middleman, we will be earning for the whole process as a commission. So guys, that was all for now. See you on the next video, where we will discuss much about the drop servicing and how to start it.